How to get a dark mode on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get dark mode on your Snapchat on your iPhone. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's dive right into it. So the first thing you'll need to do is open up your Snapchat. After you open it up, simply head over to your Bitmoji on the top left and tap on it. After you tap on it, you will see the settings icon, that is the gear icon on the top right. So tap on it. Now what you'll need to do is you'll need to scroll down. Now scroll down till you find an option called App Appearance. Tap on App Appearance. After you do that, you will see different options. Now here you can either choose your Snapchat to be always light or always dark or to match your system. Now if you choose match your system, if you turn on the dark mode for your system, your Instagram or your Snapchat will also get on dark mode. Now you can choose always dark to just change it forever. And yeah, that is basically how you can change your Snapchat into dark mode. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye, take care.